In this video, I'm going to write a book live in this video using AI on how we earn 5 figures per week using affiliate marketing, AI, and short videos. I will literally put all the information I know, everything we do, but it will be really fast because we're going to use AI, and you will also learn how to do it yourself. This book will be free. All the information will be available in the link in the bio, in the first comment, maybe on this side, and of course, again, in the description if you're watching from YouTube. Let's go. This is one of my Warrior Plus accounts. Let me refresh this page live in front of you. It's refreshed. You can see that. Today we earned $1,200. Yesterday $800. Last month $62,000. Last 7 days $8,000. Today is 20th April. And this month we already earned $30,000. Probably we'll end up 40,000 or 45,000, something like that. From this account alone. I'm not talking about other accounts. I'm not talking about JVZoo or Clickbank accounts. It's only this Warrior Plus account. All by using the power of affiliate marketing and the power of short videos. We'll come to that, but before that, let me show you my Weber account. You can see these 30 days, last 30 days, we got 60,000 email subscribers, and previous 30 days, 39,000 email subscribers. This is wildly amazing. Let me know if you agree on this. Again, all our traffic, leads, sales come from the power of short videos. We keep publishing short videos every single day on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube accounts. Now, multiple accounts. Now, this is one of my Instagram accounts, 73,000 followers. This is one of my TikTok accounts, 65,000 followers, and you'll see thousands and thousands of views. This one video here got 2.3 million views. This is my YouTube channel, one of my YouTube channels, 81,000 views in last 28 days. I'm showing you this just to prove that you are not wasting time watching this video. I know what I'm talking about, and we do affiliate marketing. We're going to teach you affiliate marketing step by step from scratch, but in a slightly different way. In case you want to learn how we earn 5 figures per week or $60,000 a month using AI, short videos, and power of affiliate marketing, check my profile, the first comment, and in the description below if you are watching from YouTube. Let's begin. Now, I want to give you everything in a slightly different way. I'm going to write an affiliate marketing book for beginners from scratch live on this call, and I will pour my heart and my knowledge on that book, and that book will be available for free in the profile, in the first comment or first comment below, and in the description below if you are watching from YouTube. Make sure you follow, like, subscribe, save this video for later, and share with the people you care. And I will write that book live using AI, ChatGPT, and a special plugin. Everything will be open in front of you. So let's begin. This is ChatGPT. I'm sure you already know about it. If not, just Google and you will find it. It's free to start. But the model GPT-4 is, I believe, only for the paid users, and it's only $20 per month, so I subscribed. Other models like 3.5 is also good enough. But anyways, let's start with GPT-4. And I'm also using a ChatGPT plugin, which is Google extension, Chrome extension. It is also freemium. It has a free version and a paid version, but I'm using the free version right now. So after selecting GPT-4, I will go and search with book. Write a complete book in just one click. Select this. Awesome. Now I have to give it the right prompt. I'll say, so my prompt here is act as an expert affiliate marketer who makes affiliate commissions using AI and short videos on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Write a book on affiliate marketing with step-by-step formula for beginners. So beginners can start earning minimum $1,000 per month from 90 days from now. The book language should be simple to understand for an 8th grader. Add simple, real-life examples and interesting, funny stories in every chapter. Now let's see what happens. The book is being written. Awesome. The book title is AI-Driven Video Profits. The Beginner's Guide to Earning $1,000 per month with short videos on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. So these are the chapter titles. The power of short videos, tapping into gold mine of social media, choosing the power of perfect niche. Now the book is being written. We can see the introduction being written. Looks great so far. Note, due to the character limit for a single response, it is not possible to provide detailed information for each chapter in this answer. Okay, not a problem. However, The provided book title, chapter titles, and introduction should give you solid foundation for writing the book. Yeah, that's true. Feel free to ask specific questions about each chapter. So I'm gonna copy the same prompt and I will ask, act as an expert affiliate marketer who makes affiliate commission using AI short videos. Write the first chapter of the book. With step-by-step formula for beginners so beginners can start earning this, and 90 days from now for beginners so beginners can start earning. The book language should be okay. Add simple real-life examples and interesting funny stories wherever applicable. Right? And let's try. The first chapter is being written. Great news! Chapter 1 is written. It's covered a lot of stuff, but I think it's a little too much for chapter 1. But anyways, I will keep it as is right now, and then I will copy the prompt and I'll make a tiny changes based on my experience with the introduction. Now I will ask to write the second chapter of the book with step-by-step formula. Make sure, remember our goal is to help beginners start earning minimum $1,000. Okay, so the book language should be the chapter language. Okay, the language and tone should be simple to understand for an 8th grader. Add simple real-life examples and interesting funny stories in every step. Let's see what happens. It's writing chapter 2. Yes. Guys, I'm not asking you to write an affiliate marketing book if you don't have experience on affiliate marketing. You should write books or stuff that you are expert of. And that's why I showed my results before I began. But AI and ChatGPT will make your life super easy. Now what I'm about to do is to check each chapter one by one myself, and I will add or deduct stuff that's needed to get results for beginners. That's why if you get this book and follow this book, it will get you results. Wow, this niche thing is covered extensively, but I want to make it interesting. So I want stories, but there is a funny story which is not actually funny. So I am adding an instruction, write an engaging and interesting fictional story about what happened to a person who chose wrong niche and eventually wasted a lot of time and money. And let's see what happens. Wow, now this story is really well written and it's awesome. Now I want some AI images to add to this story so the book and the story looks lucrative, not some boring chunk of text. So my prompt for this is write Midjourney prompts. Add AI images to the above fictional story to make the story engaging and interesting. And let's see what happens. Great stuff. So we're getting multiple images. This is what I was looking for. This is great. Now I can give this whole thing to one of my assistants and they can do the rest. This was a mistake I made in my first book. I wrote everything and then we had to go one by one to find images and the book never ended. But this one's gonna finish today. All right, we got 9 images so far. I'm just going to copy this one and put it on Midjourney and simply enter and show you what happens. The image is being created. You see 15% so far, 31%, 46%. All right, it's 78%, 93%. I don't know if you can see it properly, but now it's completely done. And let me open the image in the browser so you can see it clearly. So there are 4 images, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can just choose any of them. Wow. I'm curious how the second image will look like. Let's go. Boom. There are lots of information in the prompt. And if you make a mistake by mixing up a lot of information, then AI will totally confuse the whole thing up. And it looks like this kind of thing is happening here. 2 images are cat images and 2 images are a person reading newspaper. And very funny. Now look at this. I think the first one is second one is just a cat on a newspaper. Third one, cat on a newspaper. Fourth one, man, this is funny. Okay, did you see that? It's a cat man. So yeah, you need to be very careful writing the prompt. The second prompt should have been illustrate Bob sitting in the living room reading the newspaper article. He's excited. He found the solution of his problem. The local entrepreneur luxury cat bed should not be in this prompt. So I'm going to copy this again just to share with you guys. I'm just going to remove the info about local entrepreneur and cat beds. And then I will add a command to ensure it's a landscape 16:9 image. So let's try. Okay, we got some images. These are old men reading newspaper, but pretty sad, upset, frustrated. They're not excited. We want them smiling and excited, saying, Eureka, we found it. So probably need a little bit of iteration or modification, but we will get there. I'm going to add happiness, excitement, and curiosity. I mean, just happiness, one word in the prompt, and I want to see the change in the face. It should be happy now. Yeah, excited like that. I think we got the point what's going to happen with the AI images. I'm just going to write the next chapter, which is third chapter. I'll keep everything else as is and hit enter and see what happens. Mastering the art of content creation, crafting videos that convert. Now the content creation section should be very specific. It should not be generic. What the AI has written is very generic. You can get this kind of content anywhere. So I asked to add another paragraph or write more about certain thing on how to create content that goes viral. So let's see how much it writes. It could not write. It says something went wrong. So I'm going to copy this prompt so I don't lose it, because at this point I have to refresh it. This is also a lesson that you should take seriously. When this kind of stuff happens, you should refresh, but remember to save your work. So let's try again. Yep. So it's writing 3.4. This is good. I don't want any chapter without a fictional story because stories are interesting. So I say write an interesting fictional story for third chapter of a person who tried to be creative in video creation and got burnt out fast before getting into results. Then he started to model winners and got results fast. Awesome. I like this once upon a time. Makes me laugh every time. Now I want images. So write Midjourney prompts for interesting AI images for third chapter. And let's go. Awesome. Yes, it's working. So good. Let's go. Chapter 4. AI to the rescue, supercharging your content creation. We use AI to transcribe already viral and winning videos, model their tones, model their style, rewrite scripts, summarize scripts, and of course, AI for creating images. So let's mention this in the prompt, otherwise ChatGPT will write whatever it wants. Okay, we are ready, so let's go. Yes, I think it's working. This is great. Okay, yes. The book is done. Look at this. I really poured my heart into it. As far as I remember, I have put everything I know about what we do currently to get crazy results like this and like this. Oh, by the way, while I was making the book, it's a new day, so today's income is 0. Haha. Anyways, the book is currently in this situation, very raw in document. One of my guys will be formatting it, he will make it sweet, readable, will add images, make it really beautiful, and it will be available for free for all my email subscribers and my customers. How do you get the book? Simple. Join my email list using any of the links in the bio, in the description, or the first comment. Apart from the other stuff, you will also get the book when it is ready, of course. It shouldn't take more than 2 to 3 days because I just want to beautify it, make it really beautiful so you can enjoy reading. Yeah, that's it. Go ahead. The book, as well as if you want to learn how we earn 5 figures per week using AI, short videos, and affiliate marketing, check my profile, the first comment, the description. Make sure to save this video for later and share this video with your friends and family so they can also get benefited. And we will see you in the next video.